Can you build a profitable business on LinkedIn using video content in 2025? The answer is yes, you 100% can. And by the end of this video, you're gonna have all the resources and systems you'll need to grow a massive audience and profitable business using video content. Now, LinkedIn just received some huge updates that are completely changing the way video content performs on the platform. And with my proven systems, it is easier than ever to get noticed. And whether you're focused on landing more monthly clients, getting more views on your video content, or just looking to build more trust and authority through your personal brand, I've got you covered. So the team behind LinkedIn Video has been dropping updates frequently to the platform, making short form video content extremely easy to find, especially as a new creator. And from what we can see, LinkedIn is pushing to build its video features actually very similar to Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So we'll see a lot more updates super soon. I've been creating video content on LinkedIn for the past 6 months, and I've seen a massive increase in my engagement, in my views, and my following just from video content alone. And remember that you're gonna need to get comfortable being on camera to get the most out of video. And the best way to do this is going to be just by practicing a lot. Stop worrying about what others think about you and just start talking in front of the camera. The sooner you get comfortable, the sooner you can start making epic video content. And with that being said, let me show you my favorite part about LinkedIn Video, which is my complete content calendar and schedule for 2025. Now, if you randomly post video content on the platform, you're not gonna see the results you actually are looking for. So having a set purpose, posting time, and strategy for each video that you create is going to be the reason why your brand will begin getting a ton more eyes on LinkedIn. So the very first part of my video strategy is to post one long form YouTube video every other week. These videos are typically around 8 to 12 minutes long, and their purpose is to provide as much free value as possible while sending my audience to a free product page, a LinkedIn post, or a newsletter article. You can look at long form video content on YouTube as the top of your funnel. You aren't selling anything, and instead you're warming up your audience to the problems they're facing, hinting at your precise solutions. On the same day I post my long form YouTube video, I'll also post a 30 to 45 second video trailer on LinkedIn. This is a simple teaser that my LinkedIn audience will watch, become intrigued by what I have to offer, and then click on the post link to watch my full YouTube video. You can essentially take the first bit of your long form video, crop it up, and then post it as your trailer. And within the same day of posting your YouTube video and trailer, drop an introductory email post to your newsletter promoting your YouTube video and LinkedIn post. You're pretty much just building one massive loop for your audience to go through from your email content to your LinkedIn, and then to your YouTube, and then back around again. Your followers are gonna use different platforms and aren't gonna be active 24/7. So you're gonna receive more engagement when you post on all of your socials, not just one. The next step is to take 3 to 4 clips from your long form YouTube video and then schedule them on LinkedIn 2 to 3 days apart after you post your trailer. For example, if you post your trailer on Monday, schedule your short form clips on Wednesday, Saturday, Tuesday, and Friday. And since you're only posting video content every other week, you have 13 days to post 3 to 4 short form videos. Spread them out in whichever way is easiest and most effective for you. So the final part of my LinkedIn video calendar is to post one LinkedIn newsletter 2 days after launching your video trailer. The LinkedIn newsletter is just a basic promotional post that directs your audience to your new YouTube video. With all these systems in mind, here's what the content load looks like. First, you'll post one long form YouTube video and one YouTube teaser trailer. Second, you'll be taking 3 to 4 short form clips from your YouTube video and posting them within 13 days after posting your long form video content. Third, you're gonna write a LinkedIn and regular newsletter to promote your long form video. So altogether, you have 7 pieces of content every 2 weeks promoting your YouTube and LinkedIn through video content. And after testing various strategies, I found that this is the most beneficial and top performing strategy that you can use. Now that you have a set schedule for 2025, you're gonna need unlimited ideas so you never run out of video content. The method I built is called the remix engine. I take already well-performing content and then spin the ideas into my own. Now to do this, start by going to the YouTube search bar. You'll want to type a couple of keywords that are widely used in your niche. For my example, I'll use LinkedIn growth. When I type that into the search bar, you'll actually see 10 to 15 widely searched key phrases that others search on YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot these phrases and then paste the image into ChatGPT. Once you've done that, send the following script with the screenshot attached. You are a professional YouTuber with millions of subscribers. Your task today is to help me generate a YouTube content calendar for my channel. I create content that targets and then your target audience. The type of content I create is, and then your content niche. The YouTube content calendar you give me should be relatable, easy to navigate, and hook my viewers to watch the entire video. I need ideas that are fresh, trending, and popular today. The top search topics in my niche are attached in the screenshot. I want you to use these to create my content ideas. Please provide me with 6 months of YouTube content. I'll be posting 1 video every other week. Please start the content calendar with today's date. Please also use a table format. I need the following: number 1, YouTube title with 2 alternatives. Number 2, YouTube video hook. So once you've filled in the necessary information, ChatGPT will give you a highly detailed content calendar for 2025 that you can use for the next 6 months. If you don't like any of the content ideas, simply ask ChatGPT for another 6 months of content. I've been using this system for all of my LinkedIn video content, and it's been helping me reach a massive new audience in such a short amount of time. The next essential part of creating video content on LinkedIn is how to actually structure your short form videos. And as of March 2025, the LinkedIn video team updated how video is actually seen on the platform. So before, video content showed up just like any regular post. You could see the video along with the copy you'd post alongside it. But now you can only see the video, and at the bottom, you're gonna see just a short 15 to 30 character hook. This actually makes it 100 times easier to post video content because it's practically effortless. All you have to do is upload your short form video, write a short hook to pull your viewers in, and then schedule your post. You no longer need to spend tons of your time writing a super long or complex post, and your audience just won't see it. What I've actually been testing for the last few weeks that's working really well is posting my regular content at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time every morning, and then dropping a short form video post at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. The reason it's working so well is that I'm able to hit multiple time zones and different parts of the day. If you have the capacity to dual post, I cannot recommend it enough. If you want to grow your personal brand in 2025, posting video content on LinkedIn is an absolute no-brainer. You can 100% build a profitable business online in just 3 to 6 months if you put in your 200% effort and build in video content to your strategy. And once you're ready to go all in on LinkedIn, check out the Accelerator program. This is actually my all new 24/7 updated program that I spent over 450 hours creating. You're gonna be building alongside hundreds of like-minded entrepreneurs, have access to over 30 hours of video content, and 24/7 live support from myself. I'll have a link to the program in the description of this video. And until next time, I will see you again really soon. Cheers.